Rise up, stand out, take charge. This is the launchpad for dreamers, doers, and future industry titans, where raw potential meets real opportunity, where every lesson pushes you closer to greatness. Endless possibilities, unmatched energy. Welcome to the School of Business and Tourism, where Cobras lead the way.
What I want to say about our school is we've been around for over a decade, and our school is very important in terms of our community. We are a staple. We have generations who have walked through our doors, and we're a trusted institution.
We try to recognize our students by their name. We greet them in the morning each day that we see them. We want them to know that we miss them when they're not here, and we also want to be there for them when they need support, when they're having difficulty focusing in the classroom and taking care of themselves first.
The main thing is we want to make sure that everyone who walks through their door is getting their personalized learning and exactly what they needed and in order to be successful in the world.
Our advisory classes loop for 4 years, and this unique system creates a sense of community amongst students and teachers. And this cohort is something that will last them through the 4 years that they're at BT, through their graduation and beyond.
We are recognized as a gold certified linked learning school. That means that our educators have the best quality lessons and have been through training that offers students a one-of-a-kind experience.
So within the School of Business and Tourism, in 9th and 10th grade, you will be taking hospitality and tourism classes, specifically in event planning and event management. And then when you get into 11th and 12th grade, you'll be working on entrepreneurship, how to start a business, creating business plans, and really how to market and target customers so that you can make sales and generate profit.
They're going to receive personalized project-based learning. That is something that is core to what we believe in here at BT. Not only do we offer that for every grade level, we offer industry professionals who come here and provide feedback for our students.
Industry feedback enhances real-world learning, providing authenticity and relevance, therefore improving the learning experience. Their feedback helps students understand the practical applications of their work. They also offer expert insight that teachers might not have, the ins and outs of the industry. Also, motivation helps improve the quality of the students' work. In other words, students knowing there's a personnel, a professional, other than a teacher evaluating their work will increase students' engagement and investment in the project.
One example of when I had to be a compelling communicator was during my PBL project last school year. Before we even began the presentation, I asked the judges what the number one thing they looked forward to when visiting a new place. We listened to their responses and immediately incorporated their answers into our opening pitch. I think that by doing that, we made the presentation feel personalized, engaging, and directly connected to their own interests.
When you start, it's often incredibly nerve-wracking. And even today, it still gets me nervous here and there. It's a presentation that is a collection of what you've pretty much done throughout your entire semester, from the brainstorming phase to the finished product. Getting up there in front of your teachers, the ones who prepared you for that moment, is what makes the experience so charming. Because you go from the student to the master of your creation. When up presenting to industry partners, you gain this newfound appreciation of what you've made and what you're capable of.
We want BT students to be critical thinkers and problem solvers. Our goal is for our curriculum to focus on mastering communication and higher level thinking skills to prepare students to attend college and successfully enter the workplace.
So within our CTE program here at the School of Business and Tourism, we really focus on creating that real-world connection and making it relevant to students for life outside of the classroom. We prepare them by hosting a mock interview day that all 11th grade students will participate in. They also are required to have an internship readiness badge with a resume and cover letter, as well as a work readiness badge that gives them eligibility to be offered internships both through the district and other partnerships that we have throughout the real world. In the summer, some of them work after school to provide these real-world experiences outside of the classroom.
We also offer dual enrollment courses, college courses, that they can take during the school day, which help them receive credits, so that way they have to take less courses when they graduate. 100% of our students who apply for colleges are accepted. We're very proud of this percentage, and we continue to ensure that all of our students are ready.
School culture becomes more welcoming when students have different ways to get involved, like clubs, esports, and traditional sports. Clubs give everyone a place to meet people with similar interests, while esports teams like BT Venom help students who might not join regular sports feel included and part of a team. Traditional sports bring the whole school together with shared pride and excitement. When all these activities are available, students feel connected, supported, and more comfortable being themselves.
Here at BT, it is about your own child's personal learning experience, goals, and interests. We care about the environment that they are in, and we hope to provide not only excellence, but experience, hands-on learning. And that's what your child will experience here at BT.
BT Pathways is an incredible experience, and you get to present and learn so much. It's invaluable. Thanks to my teachers and thanks to BT Pathways, I've been able to grow and become a better person. And not only that, I've been able to become more career ready for the future.